The AR Blue Clean AR390SS Electric Pressure Washer offers a robust cleaning experience with its powerful universal motor and tri-axial pump, delivering up to 2,000 psi and 1.4 gallons per minute. Designed for convenience, this pressure washer features an integrated hose reel and detergent tank, making storage and operation seamless. The two-wheel trolley design ensures easy maneuverability, allowing you to transport the unit effortlessly around your cleaning area. Included with the AR390SS are dynamic accessories such as the M22 trigger gun, a quick connect metal lance, a 30-foot high-pressure hose, and 3 quick connect nozzles for versatile cleaning tasks. The total stop system enhances the longevity of the pressure washer by automatically shutting off power when the trigger is not engaged. Weighing only 32 pounds, this portable pressure washer is easy to assemble and built with ample onboard storage, making it a versatile and efficient tool for all your outdoor cleaning needs.